I feel like I learned a lot because like it's really cool how all these elements of like resistance, solidarity of the prisoners, etc., how they're all connected and how they affect each other. I feel like it's really cool.
Yeah, when you changed one, all of them obviously changed, and it was really interesting to see sort of that circular effect and what the effects have on each other.
Well, I learned that power can ultimately lead to corruption. It was seen in this simulation that as the power of the guards increased, their harsh treatment of the prisoners increased simultaneously. I think the prison guard simulation was similar to Lord of the Flies, because it was kind of seen in both that as a person was put into a situation of authority, their savagery kind of skyrocketed. Like when Jack was put into a position of authority in Lord of the Flies, his savagery kind of increased, and that was seen through the brutal murder of some of the pigs that were on the island, and Simon's murder as well.
Yeah, there's a lot of the same factors in both of the stories, so you see the same things change in the simulation as well as in the books, and so that kind of helps you understand what characters' driving motivations are and what affects how they're doing, so how they think, and that helps you kind of understand where the story's going and how it developed.
And
Go ahead.
I also found a big theme in both Lord of the Flies and the simulation was fear and how it affects the behavior of the different characters. So I'd already begun exploring that with Lord of the Flies and how when the boys were afraid, how it drove them to do crazy things.
Good. Why do you think it's a good idea for teachers to use simulations like this one?
I feel like teachers can use simulations like this because like the idea of the simulation, which can be like many things, like power leads to corruption, can help us like understand books and kind of reinforce the ideas.
Along with it.
I think making predictions, being able to do that as well, like just the graphs of predictions, even if you're completely wrong, your predictions help you understand what's happening, and they help you boost your understanding of like how archetypes work in general and what factors affect different factors, because you're able to kind of think for yourself what's going to happen.
Why did you choose to use this?
And the reason that I like simulations, some of the things that you mentioned, the main thing is it allows you a chance to kind of do an experiment without actually doing the experiment. Because ideally, we would do the prison guard thing. I mean, that would be really
world.
It would be really interesting to turn you in, to make this a prison and put you in those roles. But I think I might get in trouble for doing that. Plus, it would be kind of impossible. So this is kind of a safe way to let you do that. Plus, it's so quick. You can make changes very easily and see what's going to happen very quickly, and you don't have to have 2 weeks to do something that takes 2 days. That's a big thing. Yeah, I think it connects. Like you said, I think the ideas of it are powerful ones, and it's in books, but it's a little bit different when it's in real life.
Yeah.
And you see, this isn't just a story. This is something that we see in real life as well.